Here's a little sequence for some heart opening, for some balance, and just overall I think it's pretty fun and flowy. So enjoy! Together, arms up to the sky, clasp the hands, relax the shoulders down the back, gaze up gently, soften the knees, tuck the tailbone, and start to use your Ujjayi breath. Practice relaxing the shoulders down while also keeping strength in the arms, strength in the legs, and breathing gently into the belly. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, lean to the right, using that bottom hand to help encourage the top hand over. Keep that slight bend in the knees so that you keep stability in your hips. Pretend you're squeezing a block between your inner thighs. Rise up, take another breath in. Exhale, lean to the left. Same thing. Take another breath in, lift up and open. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, hands come to the shins. Exhale, fold. Run through about 5 Surya A Namaskara. Take about 3 deep breaths in downward facing dog. On your last exhale, look forward, take a step, come to a forward fold. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Again, repeating, feet come together. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, lean to the right, hips lean to the left. Strengthen the inner thighs and the core. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, rise up, maybe look up, open the arms. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, hands come to the shins. Hold the breath, take it back to a plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest, squeeze shoulder blades back. And exhale to roll back down. Inhale, lift up through plank and back to downward facing dog. Take 3 deep breaths here. Pushing through the hands, shoulders relaxed down the back, hips towards the sky, heels to the ground. On your last exhale, maybe exhaling out the mouth, take a step forward, coming to a forward fold with the feet together. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up, clasp the hands. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, up and open. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen spine. Hold the breath. Hands come down. Take it back to a plank and lower slowly. Chaturanga on your exhale. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, 3 to 5 deep breaths here, whatever feels right to your body. Try not to rush the breath so that the pose ends. On your last exhale, make sure you're completely empty. Pull in that Uddiyana Bandha and either step or hop forward, coming to a forward fold, feet together. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, lean right. Inhale, up. Exhale, lean left. Inhale, rise, open, and exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen spine. And hold the breath, take it back to a plank. Strong, lower chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths. forward, hop, or step. Keeping the feet together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Rise up. Lean to the right. Inhale. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, rise up and open. Exhale to dive forward. Inhale, lengthen spine. Hold the breath. Keep the legs together. Hop it back. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Exhale everything out of the body. Navel pulls in and up. Hold the pelvic floor. Look forward. Bring the feet together. And hop. Inhale, lengthen. And fold. Inhale, rise up. Last one. Lift. Lean to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale up and open. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen. Hold the breath. Plant the hands. Take it back. Chaturanga. Inhale, open. Exhale, downward facing dog. Exhale everything out of the body. Bring the feet together. Pull the navel bandhas in and up. Pelvic floor in and up. Look forward. Hop. Inhale, lengthen. And fold. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Apart, about hip distance. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, take a seat. Bring it down. Now, open the chest, relax the shoulders again, down the back as much as you can. If you need to bend the elbows to open the chest, do so. Tuck the tailbone just a little bit and sit back. Bring the left hand down between the legs. Watch your knees. Make sure that they're level so the hips aren't swaying them to be uneven. And open up your right arm. Take a deep breath. As much as you can, sit back. If your shoulders aren't feeling open enough for this, that's okay. Stay right where you are. Stay right here. If you can, see if you can wrap your left arm under, coming into the bind. We'll hold it for just a deep breath in. Exhale to sit a little deeper. Maybe open that right shoulder. Plant the left arm, right arm up, and come to a forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep all the way up. Exhale, sit back into a chair. This time the opposite side, bring the right hand down. Watch those knees, open up to the left. If the shoulders are feeling open enough, try and reach the bind. Check the knees again, weight into the heels. Open your left shoulder, sit back, deep breath in. Exhale to go a little deeper. Plant that right arm, open the left arm, and then come into a forward fold on your exhale. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Hold the breath, take it back to a plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring the right leg forward. Plant the left foot down. Warrior one. Hold the breath. Plant the hands. Take the right foot back to meet the left. Keep the right leg lifted. Exhale, lower, chaturanga. Inhale, open. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg comes forward. Plant the right foot down. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Hold the breath. Plant the hands. Left leg back. Keep it lifted slightly, lower. Inhale to open. Keep those elbows slightly bent. Downward facing dog. Take one full deep breath in down dog. Exhale everything out. Look forward. Jump or hop. Forward fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, fold. Take those feet about hip distance apart. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Sit back into a chair. This time, just place the left hand down. Let's just open up that right side. Plant the right hand down now and switch. Open and then exhale to fold. Inhale, lengthen spine, pull shoulder blades back. Plant the hands, plank, lower down. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Right foot forward, plant the left foot down, rise up, warrior one. Hold the breath, hands down. Take right foot back to meet the left, keep it lifted, lower down. Inhale, open. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward, right foot down. Inhale, rise up. Hold the breath, plant the hands down. Left leg back and lifted, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to open, pull the shoulder blades back, downward dog. One full deep breath in. Exhale to go a little deeper. Look forward, hop or step, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Sit back into a chair. Plant the left hand down, open up to the right side. Sit back, twist from your left kidney all the way in the back of the body. Bring the right hand down. Inhale, twist to the left. Knees are level. And then on your next exhale, fold it down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, open. Downward dog. Right leg comes forward. Left foot down. Rise up, warrior one. Hold the breath. Hands down. Take a vinyasa. Left leg forward. Right foot down. Rise up. Strong. Relax shoulders. Right hip and left hip are level. Hold the breath. Take a vinyasa. Deep breath in and out. Step or hop. Inhale, lengthen and fold. Last one, sit down, left hand plants. Inhale, open up, deep chair twist. Plant the right hand down. Inhale, open up to the left side. Use that bottom hand to claw to help your balance and to help twist. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Hold the breath. Take a vinyasa. Right foot forward, left foot plants. Inhale, rise up. Hold the breath. Take a vinyasa with the right foot lifted. Left side. Deep breath in and out. Jump forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Now moving into our standing flow. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, take a seat. Now plant your right arm down and inhale, open up to the left side. Paw the ground with that bottom hand. See if you can wrap your left arm around. Use the right hand to clasp. Now shifting the weight into that left leg. Use your core, use your breath, and go nice and slow. Standing up, coming into bird of paradise. If this is where you stay, this is kind of where I stay a lot of the time. That's great. Practice opening the chest and breathing. If you can start to practice extending that lifted leg, pushing through the foot. Take 2 deep breaths. And then bring that leg in. Place it on the inner thigh, keeping the left hand behind the back. Once you feel that equal and opposite pressure from the foot inside the inner leg, bring the right arm around. Clasp elbows behind the back, open the chest, and breathe. Soften your standing leg, open your chest, open your right knee. Take a deep breath in. Keep the hands behind the back. Unweight the leg from the inner thigh. and extend. Flex that foot. Try not to lean back. Stay nice and tall. From the belly button, from the core, lift the leg a little higher. Hold it for 3 deep breaths. Good. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, shoot it behind you, coming into a warrior 3. Keeping the hips nice and level. Bringing it down. Bring the arms now to the sides, fingertips strong to the sides of the body, coming down into dragonfly, where the head and the neck are coming down, leg is coming up. Reach your body at a diagonal, so try not to go straight down to the foot. Reach the eyes a little bit in front of you. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, rise up. Bring that standing leg to the calf and come to a low tree. Hands to the heart, open the chest, breathe. With that lifted leg, now cross it over the knee, coming into a standing chair. You can keep the hands at the heart, you can clasp the hands at the back to practice opening the heart, or you can even practice bringing the elbows to the shin, lengthening the spine. Using the elbows pushing into the shin pushing back to keep your spine long. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, rise up. Unlift that leg, take it to the back of your mat, and open up into a warrior 2. Heel in the arch, you're laying up. Nice strong arms, deepen in that front leg. Clasp the hands behind the back. Open the chest. Take the body a little bit to the front leg. There we go. And then bring the body down. Again, kind of going at a diagonal. Not necessarily just tipping down. Kind of keeping the spine nice and long. Take 2 deep breaths. Bring the bottom hand down to clasp the ankle, straighten that front leg, and open up into a triangle. Lift that up top arm. If you feel like you're kind of hunching in your chest, bring that bottom hand up a little bit so you can open. Now bend into your front leg. Bring both hands down. Walk that front leg over just a little bit so both hands can come on the inside. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, let the head and the neck relax. Back leg is strong. Bring your bottom arm, the arm closest to your front leg, underneath the leg, and just practice here, shifting the weight back and forth, kind of like a teeter-totter. Breathe. Bring the arm back on the inside. Walk the foot over. Bring the foot into the middle, and then drop the back leg onto the knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up, hands clasped, pointer finger up, open. Exhale, the hands down. Take it back to a plank, and take a vinyasa. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to come forward, either step or hop. Forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Sit back into your chair. This time we'll do the other side. Arms up. This time let's do the left hand down. Open up to the right. Clasp the hands on that left leg. And shifting the weight into the right leg, start to bring the body up. Stay nice and tall. Extend that left leg as much as you feel comfortable. 2 or 3 deep breaths. Good. Keep that right arm behind. Plant the left leg on the inner thigh. Both hands come behind to grab opposite elbows. Open the chest, stand nice and tall. Extend the left leg forward. Lift and breathe. Strengthen your thigh. I know it's a lot of work in the quad, but see if you can use your breath to lift a little higher on the exhale. Keep the hands behind the back. Take the right leg behind. coming into a warrior three. Spine nice and long, hips are level. Unweight the arms, start to chew the hands to the back of the room, and then tipping the body at that diagonal, coming for dragonfly. Rise up, bring that leg to the lower, calf retreat, hands to the heart. Keep that same leg lifted, lift it a little higher. Coming now for standing pigeon. Again, you can keep your hands at the heart, or you can shift them forward, practicing lengthening the spine. Sit a little bit deeper, rise up, take that same lifted leg to the back of the mat, moving into your warrior two. Nice and long in the body, strengthen your back leg. Clasp the hands behind the back, open the heart, shift it a little bit, and bring it down. Right at that diagonal, big deep breaths. Strengthen your back leg. Good. Bring that bottom hand down, clasp the ankle, and open up. Triangle. Bring both hands down now. Walk that front foot over a little bit so both hands are on the inside. Back leg is strong, lengthen spine. And then exhale, relax the head and neck. Start to work that bottom shoulder underneath the leg. And then again, just kind of practicing shifting the weight forward and back with your breath. And then unweight, bring that foot on the inside of the arms, plant the bottom knee down, inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale the hands down, and take a vinyasa. Look forward, take a step, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Okay, we're going to flow through that one more time, maybe adding a couple of variations if you want. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, take a seat. Plant that right arm down. Again, opening up to the left, wrap it around to clasp hands. Again, you can always use a strap if that feels like it's too far away. Shift the weight into the left leg, start to rise up into your bird of paradise. Extending the leg as much as you feel comfortable. Just a deep breath in, and exhale. Unweight the leg, coming into a high tree. Pushing the foot into the inner thigh. Using the hands to open the chest and pull down the shoulders a little bit. Inhale. Exhale, unweighting that leg, extending the leg. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, take the leg back, coming into a warrior three. Find your length in your spine. Unweight the arms, push the hands to the back of the room, and come down for a little bit of a diagonal. Woo. Rise up, coming into your low tree. Hands to the heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, relax the shoulders down the back. Bring that leg lifted now, coming into your standing pigeon. Bringing your hands down. And this time you have the option, if you'd like, to come a little bit deeper, maybe even planting the hands all the way down, coming into a fold, or even walking the fingertips forward enough to bring a bend into your elbows. Plant the shin onto the backs of the arms. Clasp your arm with your foot. You kind of see how I'm doing that. And then maybe practice even lifting that back leg. That's totally an option. Whatever works for you. Wherever you're at, rise up. Shift the weight to the back of the mat. Coming into your warrior two. Lengthen on a deep breath in, clasp the hands, open, and come down for your humble warrior. Inhale. Exhale, bring that bottom hand down, straighten the leg, and open up for triangle. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring both hands down, walk that front foot over. Lengthen. And exhale, you can release your head down, or you can even come to your forearms. Whatever you feel open enough for in the hips. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Gently rise up. Bring that bottom arm underneath the leg. And again, you can practice that teeter-totter, forward and back, or you can practice coming forward enough that you can maybe even lift that back leg, coming into twig. Just practice. And then bringing it back, unleading the arm, drop that back knee. Inhale, rise up. Exhale the hands down. And take your vinyasa. Hop, step, or jump forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, take a seat. This time, planting the left hand down. Left hand down, opening up. Bring the hands around to clasp. Shift the weight to the right leg. Take your time. Rise up. Extend that leg as much as feels good to your body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. Come up into your high tree. Inhale. Exhale. Unweight the leg. Shoot the leg behind. Make sure I'm not going to kick anything. Warrior 3. Unweight the arms. Shoot the fingertips to the back of the room. Bring your body down to a slight diagonal. Exhale, rise up. Low tree. Bring that leg up, dropping it down into your standing pigeon. Again, going to whatever variation works for you. Here, here, or maybe even walking it forward and practicing that arm balance. Wherever you're at, take a deep breath in, rise up, lift that leg, shoot it back, coming into your warrior 2. Clasp the hands, inhale, exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, exhale, grabbing that ankle, opening up into a triangle. Inhale here, exhale, both hands down, walk that front foot over. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, just relax here or come down onto the forearms. Inhale. Exhale. Gently rise up. Bring that bottom arm underneath. And again, practice either the teeter-totter or coming forward enough that maybe you can practice twig. And bring it back. Unlink the arm, drop the back knee. Inhale, squeeze the arms up, open. Exhale, the hands down. And take a vinyasa. This time, jump through, coming to a seat with both legs extended. What that sequence has done now is opened our shoulders and opened our chest and our hamstrings hopefully enough to be able to go into the seated Ashtanga series. And just remember that a strap is super useful here, so have one handy. Even if you think that you don't need it or you know it will open up later, just have it handy, okay? So we're going to start with the right leg in. I guess I'll be mirroring you. So we'll say start with the left leg in, having the right leg extended. Bring the right hand behind you. We're going to lift the left arm, reach it up. I kind of lift myself off the ground a little bit, reach it forward as much as you can. Wrap it around the leg to clasp the arms behind. Again, even if you're really close but you can't quite get it, use your strap. Okay? Open the chest on a deep breath in. Flex your right foot just a little bit and start to twist to the left. Yes, to your right, sorry. Twist to the right. And again, open the chest as much as you can. Deep breath in. Exhale to move. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to the right. Very gently unwind. Keep this left leg in. We're now going to bring the left hand behind. Lift the right arm up. Wrap it around. This is one that's always a little bit harder for me. Ooh, obviously. Wrap it around. And then if you can, clasp hands. Okay? So we're going around the front of the leg behind. Lift and extend up. Exhale, now twist to the left. Inhale, lift. Gentle flex in that right foot. And twist to the left. One more. Very gently unwind. Keep that leg in now. We're going to bring it down for Janu Sirsasana. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Turn the body just a little bit to the right. And exhale, fold. Inhale to lengthen. Remember, your toes, reaching your toes doesn't matter. You can come to the ground, come to your ankle, your shin, whatever. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to fold. And very gently walk it up. And switch sides. Extending the left leg, bring the right leg in. We'll start by bringing the left hand behind. Right arm reaches forward, lift, and wrap. And then open the chest. See if you can wrap the hands behind. Again, gentle flex in your left foot. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, very gentle movements from the belly. Last one. And unwind. If you feel any pinching in your shoulders, also again, back off. Okay. All right, bring that leg in. This time bringing the right hand behind. Lift that left arm up and around. And see if you can clasp hands. Inhale, lift and open. This time, twisting to the right. One more inhale. Exhale to very gently unwind. Bring that leg in for Janu Sirsasana on the other side. Inhale the arms up. And exhale to fold. And very gently walk it back. Extend both legs in front. Place both hands just a little bit behind the butt. Inhale, open the chest, open the shoulders, push the bottoms of the legs into the ground. Take one more deep breath in. As you exhale, lift the chest, lift the pelvis, lift the hips, coming into Purvottanasana. Take 2 deep breaths in. And bring it down. Ooh, that's hard without the feet on the mat. Unwind. Now we're going to bring the soles of the feet in towards each other, coming into a cobbler's pose. Inhale. Open the middle of the pages of the feet like the middle pages of the book. Lengthen and fold it down. Keep that length in your spine as much as you can. Very gently rise up. Bring the legs together and roll onto the back. You can prepare for Shavasana now by taking a twist. Maybe an eagle twist would feel really nice. Or before that, if you'd like, you can stay seated, bringing the hands down. And just taking this time to be still. Practice stopping. Practice noticing the breath. Practice observing all the things around you, noises, sensations in the body. breath. Observing. You may continue your seated meditation here, or if you'd like to, you may now come onto your back. Take a gentle twist, whatever suits you. Holding them for at least 2 to 3 deep breaths on each side. And when you feel ready, coming down for Shavasana. When you feel ready, coming back to a seat, hands come to the heart. Take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Exhale out the mouth. We'll end with one Om together. Take a deep breath in. Namaste. Thanks. I hope you enjoy.